So, retail inventory method, guys. Retail inventory method is, this is the second way, guys, in order to estimate our cost of inventory. And the basic formula for it is, goods available for sale, selling price, less net sales equals inventory and at selling price times cost ratio equals inventory and cost. And to get the cost ratio, it is goods available for sale cost over goods available for sale selling price. However, guys, ang kaning sa cost ratio pagkuha is dili siya always the same sa ato ang i-record siya na goods available for sale, because diri mag-matter na sa kaning cost ratio ang atong different approaches, guys, in estimating the retail method, di ba? Three approaches. First is conservative. Second is average. Third is FIFO. Sa conservative, guys, ato siyang anaon ha. Conservative, average, FIFO. Sa conservative, guys, ato ang i-add sa goods available for sale cost is wala na tay kanang bag-o diri, walay bag-o, walay mausabra. Diri na ta sa goods available for sale selling price. Kuan lang, ang ato arang i-add diri kay markup o markup cancellation. Di na to i-mind ang markdown o markdown cancellation. Ari sa average is markup cancellation, markdown cancellation. Diri sa FIFO, guys, is same sa average na markup cancellation, markdown cancellation. Markdown din na, guys. However, usa may kalainan nila di ay sa average and FIFO. Dinhi is no beginning inventory. So, ari siya diri no beginning inventory. Diri sa no beginning inventory. Ang kaning markup, mga markup, guys. Markup, markdown is for selling price ni siya, guys, na goods available for sale. So, mao na siya dinhi sa cost ratio. Diri sa goods available for sale, guys, diri dapita is i-appeal na to, obviously, ang markup cancellation, markdown cancellation, and beginning inventory. Diri sa cost ratio lang tao na lahi atong gamiton na value sa goods available for sale na selling price. O sometimes sa goods available for sale food na cost tungod ani na mga differences. Ang kaning markup, guys, kay mo na siya ang imuhang i-add sa imong cost in order to get your selling price. And duha na siya, initial markup o additional markup. Ang initial markup is ang first nimo na gi-add, yung additional markup kay ang second nimo gi-add. And markdown, ang markup cancellation is ang imong na nakay second na gi-add. And then imo tong didakan. But ang imong gideduct is still mas dako Japon siya sa imuhang original selling price. So markup cancellation na siya. Maybe it would be easier if we're going to give an example, or rather we are going to illustrate it, di ba? Let's kuan lang usa. Continue. Or let's start lang atong sa markup markdown, guys. Dali lang. Here. So, for example, guys, you have a cost 210. First markup nimo, that is initial markup 40. So, 240. Muni mo hang original selling price. Ato ni siyang highlightan, guys, kay arita magbasi if markup cancellation ba na siya, markdown cancellation and all. If ever, guys, for example, 240. If mag-add na sa din yung markup, himo na to siya og 300. So nakagi-add na 60. So kaning 60 na tong gi-add gikan sa 400 is additional markup. Additional markup siya. And then what if, guys, natay 300. Then naka-realize ta na ato na lang ni siyang discountan sa timuon na to og 260. So nagdeduct ka og 40. However, kaning imuhang 260, it is still higher sa imuhang kaning original selling price, di ba? 260 is greater than 240. So dili siya, bisag nagdeduct ka, guys, og 40, dili siya markdown. Markup cancellation na siya. Kay still mas dako man siya kaysa sa imuhang original selling price. Then, wait 260. And then, after na, guys, natay 260. Na-realize na sad nato, 210 na lang sa dato ang yung selling price. So, makagad yun tani sa selling price, guys. Kita mo na yung magkuan if pila to is selling price. So, pila ni siya decrease, guys? 50. So, however, this is marked down because ato ang selling price is lesser than sa ato ang original selling price man. Pero dili ang entire 50 atong markdown because natay net markup, guys, na pila 60 minus 40 20. Ato pa ni utilize daan kani atong ibanan una, then 30 mo na atong markdown. Silbi ato sa nitangtangon daan atong gigamit daan pag iban para mahimo siya 50 kay ato ang net markup nato na 20. Wala ni nato giapil lang initial, guys, kay dili ni siya labot. Ang ato arang pagkuha sa net markup is ato additional markup less markup cancellation. So na natay markdown na 30. So to 10. Nya lastly to 30 na lang di ay. So natay addition diri na 20. Addition siya, guys, pero ato ang na new selling price is still lower than sa to ang original na 240. So na addition siya pero dili siya markup. It is just a markdown cancellation. So we can also get our net markdown which is 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. We have our maintained markup or mark on, which is 230 atong final minus 200 na cost. So we have 30. So that is unsay how to illustrate the markup cancellation, markdown cancellation. So, sa ato ang approach sa retail method, guys, di ba? Sa atong cost ratio, if we're talking about sa conservative, is wala i-consider ang markdown o markdown cancellation. Average yung 5 po, it is considered. So, let's also use an example. Wait, guys. And before having the example there, let's also consider is the treatment of these items. So, we have here at cost o at retail, di ba guys? Kaya need mo na to ang at cost kaya sa pagkuha sa ratio goods available at goods available cost over goods available selling price man, di ba? So, purchase discount, this is deducted at cost only. Purchase return, deducted cost of retail. Purchase allowance, deducted at cost only. Freight, added at cost only. Department transfer in and or debit, added both cost and retail. So this one, credit, is deducted both cost and retail. Sales discount and allowances, this is not applicable, disregarded. Sales return, deducted to sales. Employee discount, added to sales. This one is added to sales, cost and retail. This is stated, guys, na deducted to goods available for sales. It is still the same as added to sales because, di ba, goods available for sales less net sales man. So, if apply siya dito sa net sales, it is deducted from our goods available for sales. So, different statement pero same meaning. Deducted from goods available for sale is the same as added to sales. So, yeah. Just want to clarify that. So, ang sa employee discount, why is it added? Because employee discount, it is like a special discount to employees and it is not recorded. However, it is deducted man sa atong sales daan because it is like a trade discount gani. Nagdidakan na nimo daan and you will not record it. Pero nadidakan siya. So, imo siya i-add balik. So, let's mata sa approaches. Continue now by giving an example. So, ato na siyang kuhaon, guys, using the 3 methods. So, first thing we need to do is, unsa to formula, guys? Goods available for sale, selling price, less net sales equals inventory selling price. So, ato na siyang buhaton diri. Pila atong goods available for sale sa cost o sa retail. Cost is 1,200,000. Sorry guys. Samday na 180. Ay. So, it would be 1,200,000. Then, sa retail, guys, ito na siyang kanon. Ang kanay dili dapita, bungkago na to kay ang kaning padong sa ubos is sa sale man na. Dili man na siya maapektuhan. Ang sa ibabaw, kay mo nang sa goods available for sale. So, now, beginning inventory, this is added. Net purchases, this is added. Additional markup, added. Markup cancellation, deducted. Markdown, deducted. Markdown cancellation, added. So, pila na siya tanan, guys? 250 plus 1,575 plus 200 minus 25 minus 140 plus 15. So, it is 1,875,000. And now, deduct na to diri ang net sales. So, how much is our net sales, guys? Sales, kani siya, this is added. Sales return, deducted. Sales allowance, no effect. Sales discount, no effect. Employee discount, added. Spoilage and breakage, added. So, pila na tanan? 1,450 minus 50 plus 40 plus 35. So, we have 1,475,000. So, how much is our net inventory at selling price? 400,000. Nanatay inventory at selling price. Unsa nato pag transform that into inventory at cost, guys? It would be times cost ratio. And that times cost ratio, mao na kalainan sa tulon approach. And let's just say na we are using conservative approach. Ato sa lahion siya og kuan. Wait ha. So, number 1, first approach, guys, is conservative. Conservative, di ba? Cost ratio is equal to goods available for sale. Wait, guys, So, goods available for sale at cost over goods available for sale at selling price. So, conservative, pila tong goods available for sale at cost? Tara ang cost, tara ang retail. So, mo divide ni siya dali. It's 1,200,000. Now, ato ang goods available for sale at selling price. This is conservative, guys. As I said, our markdown and markdown cancellation is not included. So, for conservative, beginning inventory included. Net purchases, this is included. Additional markup included. Markdown cancellation included. Kani delay. So, ang last two, kaning last two is not included for conservative. So, pila na tanan, guys, except sa last two. 250 plus 1,575 plus 200 minus 25. So, we have here 2 million. So, 1,200 divided by 2 million. So, we have 60%. Siyang ipagamay, guys. For the second one, cost. Ipagamay na ko kay we are to get common sense sa second one, guys. The second one is averaged. Diba average method ang second one, guys? So, average cost method. Atong goods available for sale, cost is still the same. 1,200,000. Atong goods available for sale, selling price, so ato butang 3 average. Beginning, appeal. Net purchases, appeal. Additional markup, appeal. Markup cancellation, appeal. Markdown, appeal. Markdown cancellation, appeal. So, bali, appeal tanan. So, it would be 1,875,000. So, pila na siya, guys. 1,200,000 divided by 1,875. We have 64%. And now, let's go to our third one, guys. We have, ano ba ito ikatulo? What's ikatulo? FIFO. So, sa FIFO, sa ato ang goods available for sale na cost sa FIFO, what do we do? beginning is not included. So, mahawak na siya diri na 1020. And then, sa to ang goods available for sale, selling price, so, beginning not included, purchases included, additional markup included, markup cancellation included, markdown included, markdown cancellation included. So, ang beginning ray dili. So, how much does it cost? 175 kani. Ato na lang ni i-minus sa kaning 250. Minus 250. So, naatay 1625,000. So, pila man ni siya? 1020 divided by 1625. So, naatay. Ato ni siya round up lang, guys. So, 62.77 man, guys. So, ato lang siya i-round up sa whole number. So, 63%. 62.7 man. So, 63. So, unsa ni siya ang kaning tulo, guys? This is the cost ratio. So, as you can see, ang atong goods available for sale o net selling price, whether average, conservative, FIFO, is still the same. Nagkalahi lang sila, guys, sa cost ratio. Ali na sila nagkalahi sa cost ratio. So, if we are to get lang dinhi using 60%, so, ilargo lang nako 400,000 times 0.6. So, this would be 240,000. Ilargo na lang nako, guys, ha. So, kanin siya, money ang inventory end at cost. If ari punta din 64%. So, 400,000 times 0.64. So, 400 times 0.64. So, we have 256,000. If ari punta, guys, 63. 400 times 0.63. So, naatay 252,000. So, kani silang tulo, kani silang tulo, mo niya nga to ang ending inventory end. Kani sila. This is our inventory end cost using the retail method. So, that's it for retail, guys. And also for inventory.